Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing guys this new live trading website. It comes with a lot of amazing features which I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. I'm going to show you how to set up this website for yourself, how to manage this website, how you can set up your website, how this website actually works. Alright, so wasting much of the time, this is the front end of the website. You can see the colors is where the colors is okay. You can see this section here. The colors, everything picked for you, the images, and see the investment plans. It comes on investment plans too, and which are just basically the front end. It has a lot of features I'm going to be revealing to you. So now I'm just logging into my account. Okay, this is my account. You can see here, you can see your name, your account balance, total profit, reward, total deposit, total withdrawal. All right, so you can deposit, withdraw. Here you can see your experts traders. I'm currently comparing this trader currently. Okay, and here you can see your stock trading portfolio. You can see your referral link here. You can see all this particular information here. Okay, so here we have the account settings. Okay, you can see all the details. Okay, here you see account settings, withdrawal, password, and all those are basic informations. Okay, so now you have your fund account, which actually to deposit. Yeah, you can see there are different deposit methods here. We have different crypto methods, so you can choose to go for Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin here. Okay, yes, you have chosen to play Bitcoin. Okay, and new deposit. Okay, all right, so you just have to enter the amount you want to deposit here, then click on complete payment. So that's just how deposit actually works. Okay, you can see all the features it comes with. You can see there are a lot of features here. It's very awesome. So you have withdraw funds. Okay, for withdrawal funds, you actually have to enter your password before you can actually withdraw funds from this particular website. So let me just enter the password real quick. Okay, so these are the different methods for withdrawals. You can see them here, which is they have a lot of withdrawal methods which are actually very nice. Okay, after that we have loan application. This website actually comes with loan application too, where you can actually take loan and see loan type. You can choose the duration, the financial information, and all those basic information. Click on submit. Then once the admin approves it, you will get that. So for that, you can see your loan history here. Here you have premium signals. Okay, premium signals. You can see different signals you can subscribe to. You can see the amount, the win rate, and all that here. You can choose to subscribe to any one you actually want. Okay, so that's just that. Here we have live trading, live markets, which actually live trading. You can actually trade on based on real time and get your profit automatically. Okay, so let me show you this real quick. So you have trade here. Click on trade. You can actually trade Bitcoin. Okay, you can put in your market order. Okay, leverage, your expiration date, all the basic information they can buy. Okay, so that's just that for this trade. Here you have investment plans. Okay, investment plans, you can see all the investment on this particular website. Just have to set the amount you want, and you see the return. You can confirm investment. So that's just that for this session. Here you have your stock investment. Okay, you can see the different stock investment here. Okay, so just have to enter the amount. The minimum for this one is 1,000. This is 350. So just enter the one you want and you just click on purchase stock. All this can actually be managed from the admin side, which I'll be showing you later on. So here you have the stock market. Okay, stock market. You can see the stock market here. You can choose to trade on any one of these particular one. Okay, then after that we have the crypto trading. Okay, crypto trading, and you can just choose to trade any of this particular coin here. Okay, so let me go back real quick. Okay, So here you have a copy trading tool. Copy trading. This is copy trading. You can choose to copy this particular user. You see, I'm currently copying these three users there. And I choose to copy this now to start copying this user trade and all that here. All this can actually be added from the admin side. Okay, so here you have the internal transfer to transfer user to user. Here you have your bot trading. Okay, here you have your bot trading. You can see bots can subscribe to all these and you get team profit automatically. Here you have your crypto staking. Okay, I just want to show you all the features real quick. So here you have your stake history, all those kind of basic all this information here. Then here you have your active investment. You can have assets exchange too. Okay, you can actually switch between your from your account balance, your Bitcoin to your Ethereum, Litecoin, which is very amazing feature. Which is an amazing feature. So you can choose to say SRP to whatever you want to pay central fee and all that. Yeah. So basically, this is how the user dashboard works. And you can see it's very easy, straight to the point, and also it also comes with Connect Wallet. Yeah. Okay. That comes to Connect Wallet. Okay, you can choose to connect any of your wallets, and that is just it for the user dashboard. Now let me log into the admin side so I can show you how that works. Okay, so once you log into the admin, take you straight to the dashboard. You can see your total information about the website here. Here you can see investment, you can see the investment plans which you can actually edit. Okay, you can edit any of this investment plan here by clicking here. Markers on page. Okay, these are actually user investment tickets. So here you can see you can create new investment plan. You can see active investment here too. Okay, then here you have manage users. Okay, manage users. You can see all the users on this website. You can click on manage here, and you can see details about this user. You can see their phrase to understand. So yeah, you can choose to log in, block user, turn off trading, turn on withdrawal, notify user dashboard, credit or debit user, reset their password, clear account, add trading history, add referral, send email, or log in or delete their account. So that's just that. So that's here we have manage deposit. We can see all the deposits on this website. You can choose to process this or delete or view. Here we have a withdrawal part. You can choose to view this and approve that from there. Here you have email service to send email to all the users. Here you have KYC applications. Okay, click on view. You can actually approve the KYC. You understand? So that's just that. So here you have the loan applications, active loans. Click on that. Okay, this is actually still pending. Click on action. You can choose to mark as paid. Okay, mark as paid. You can see loan state change to processed. Okay, and that's that. So here you have the copy trading session. You can add the expert to create trader. You have the signal. You can choose to see active signals on this website. This is none now. Then you can see crypto staking. You can choose to create a plan or staking plan. Here you have the bot trading. Okay. Then here you can manage accounts, trading accounts. Here you have tax. Here you have administrator settings, which is the admin details and all that. So here you have your settings. They're very easy to understand. You can choose to enable investment or crypto swap. Here you have the website information, which is the name of the website, your website URL, and all that here. And here you have your preference, your SNTP details. Okay, and that's just that for this session. And inside the same settings, we have the referral bonus, payment settings, swap settings, subscription settings, and IP and all that. So basically, this is how the admins actually work. You can see it's very easy, not too complicated yet to understand. So that is just that. Now, next thing now to show you how you can actually set up this website for yourself or for your clients. Okay, so once you log into your cPanel, take you straight to the dashboard. So if you don't know how to get your own cPanel or minimum hosting, the number will be under this video. You can just contact us and we show you how to get that. And also, if you have found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn the notification bell for more awesome video like this. So once you log in, take you to the dashboard. For this, I will create a subdomain. So just come here. I have a subdomain created already. Click on domains. Okay, click on domains, and all I have to do is to locate that. Okay, this is the domain I created, which is test. So just click on this one here. If you are putting the main domain, click on HTML here. Understand? So click on this one. Okay, so all I have to do now is to upload the file. Okay, so before uploading the file, make sure this part actually show hidden files. Make sure it should be selected like this. Click on save here. Okay, so click on upload. Then I have to upload this particular file into my directory, so which is blue peak. Okay, then just wait for it to finish uploading, then we can continue the video. So while that is uploading, let's quickly come back here, search for DB connection, which is my SQL database wizard. Click on that one. I want to create the database name. I'll just use blue p, then click on next step. Okay, on next step, then I will place that there to copy this, paste this here, the password. I just like using everything as the same name, so that everything very easy to set up. Okay, then after that, click on allow privileges, then click on make changes, and we are good to go. So after that, come here, click on search for PHP my admin, click on that. Then you actually have to locate the particular file your database created, which is blue p. Click on that. Okay, so click on import here, this one, then set the particular file. So let's see. Okay, our file is still uploading. So once it's finished uploading, you can actually continue this. Right, so once you extract it, just come into the env here. Okay, come to the env and click on edit, copy your database name, this one here. Okay, then just paste this here, paste this here, paste this here, then change your site URL to you understand? So after that download the SQL file, then go back here, select the file from your laptop, then this is it, then click on open, then click on import. Okay, so that is just how you can actually set up this website, and once you finish importing, you'll see this first message here, and that is just that for this video. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more awesome video like this, see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.